Hey everyone, it's Audrey here. So today's video is gonna be all about Tape Shape. This is Tarte's Tape Shape Contour Concealer. I love this product. It's funny, I was gonna actually do what this video called like a review, but in all honesty, I love this product. I don't need to review it. It's my favorite beauty product that I have in my makeup bag at all times. And I've been telling people about it and just really, I love it because it works, okay? That's the thing. I am 41 years old. I am not 20. I am not a spring chicken. I really now, when I use products on my face, especially makeup, I wanna make sure that it works. I am just done with the days of finding or having like a million lipsticks that I don't use or 5 different blushes that I only use one. I love my products to be streamlined, and I just want my products to work, right? That's like the magic about beauty products, right? Is that you want to feel beautiful, you want to feel confident, and honestly, this Tape Shape, it's funny because I was reading a little bit about it for this video, and it is sold every 12 seconds. I don't know if that's a lie, but that's on the Tarte website that it is sold every 12 seconds. And literally, what do they call it? This is the can't live without. I understand that because I can't live without this. So I want to quickly, I don't want this video to be 12 minutes long because I was trying to watch some other women and what they love about it and get their opinions. And every video was like 12 minutes long, and I was rolling my eyes going, oh my God, it doesn't take that long to put this on. So I want to make this short. I want to make this sweet. You're busy, I'm busy. Let's get this done, right? So Tarte. This is what I love about it. I actually have foundation on right now. I use It Cosmetics. I will do another video about the foundation I use. I don't wanna have too many people in the sandbox right now. But I use It Cosmetics foundation. It's great, full coverage. I don't go crazy under my eyes because I have my Tarte Shape Tape. So as you can tell, I have a foundation base on, but you can see underneath my eyes, and I actually did do, under my eyes, but as I'm getting older, again, I'm 41 years old, I'm getting dark spots. Honestly, my skin is changing. I'm getting older. There's blemishes. There's just things that weren't there years ago. So if you were 20 and you were 15 and watching this, enjoy your skin now, okay? But what I love about this is I've always enjoyed brightening up the skin underneath my eyes. And when I'm using my basic concealer, it just doesn't do it properly. My friend this summer, Stephanie, God bless Stephanie, she was using this. We went to Block Island. She took this out at a restaurant after we went to the beach. We were sweaty, we were disgusting, and she put this on, and she went from looking like we've been at the beach all day to looking like a little hot chick at this restaurant. And she said, oh my God, you never heard of this stuff? I bought it there. I actually bought it that moment at the restaurant. And my color, just so you know for reference, is light medium. I love this color. There's so many different shades to choose from. My advice, to be honest with you, probably go to like a Sephora, an Ulta, and really, try them out. But this is what you do, okay? So it comes with this little wand in the end. Many people, I was watching videos say this wand is too big, it's too thick, it's too long. So some of them put it on their wrist. Whatever works for you obviously works best. I actually don't do that. What I end up doing is I take the wand out, and it's all about right now for me highlighting and really accentuating under my eye. I want it to glow. I want it to be bright. Okay. So I want to get rid of like the color. I want to color correct. And I also want to get rid of any dark circles. And again, I have a little foundation here, which I always put on anyway. And I usually put about, I'd say like 3 to, I'm putting 5, right? I put just dots right underneath my eye. I'm going to do one eye so you can genuinely see the difference, okay? So I'm going to put it right over on my eye, and I usually just go right from the inner portion of my eye all the way, right? And I always try to just meet like right where my eyebrow is, right to the end. And I know that a lot of people like to use sponges. You can use sponges, obviously, to blend this in. I use my fingers. I'm like a Bobbi Brown girl. I love that Bobbi Brown uses her fingers to really get it. I always make sure my hands are clean, which they are. And I just start blotting it in. That's literally what I do. And I know exactly how I want it to go. Okay, so let me just start it off so you guys can see. And I go back up toward my eye. And I definitely bring it down down my nose a bit. And then I just work it all the way up to the end of my eye, and I just blend it right in. Okay, so the point is I just need it all to be blended and mixed in. And what I'm trying to do too is, you can tell, really defined right here. You can tell that I have like these dark circles here, and I want to correct that. Okay, I mean, you can tell the difference immediately. I mean, look at that. This is not there anymore. And that's what I love. It literally is magic tape, okay? It's shape tape. So you know, you see all this right here. I will correct that next, but this is what I love about it, is that I can get really right in there and I just get it right in. It conceals all the imperfections. And again, I'm working without a mirror. I'm using my phone, so I'm sorry that I'm like kind of going slow here, but it's creamy. It is very easy to blend. It's an easy to blend formula. It doesn't crease. I actually would say I don't have dry skin. I don't have oily skin. I'm like smack in the middle. And I don't ever find that it gets creasy or goes away during the day. All right. And there are ingredients in it. And that's what I wanted to write down for you guys. So there's shea butter, mango seed butter, and licorice root extract. And what does that mean? So the shea butter itself, that's the natural skin that helps retain skin elasticity and protects against dehydration, right? And really on that end, degeneration, okay? I'm 41, I don't want that. We have the mango seed butter, which is a vitamin-rich butter, which helps moisturize, condition, and protect against any free radical damage. And the licorice root extract is what we love. This is what brightens the appearance of the dark circles and really color corrects. So that's it. I wanted to show you guys quickly how to use it. Now you can use it for contouring as well. I don't. I really just use it under my eyes. I'm not a Kardashian. I am not great at contouring. I'm a working mom of 5 that just loves in the morning to just get my makeup on and go. But this iconic product, I'm gonna link it below to go buy it. Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Again, I use light medium. There's tons of different shades you can choose from. So definitely go check it out. I'm gonna do the other side, but I wanted to show, like literally, we're coming up to 7 minutes, so I'm gonna wrap this up. But you just saw in 7 minutes, this is without me using a mirror, quickly explaining through it, how quickly you can really just brighten, get a healthy glow, and really get that look that you want. It smooths everything right out and gets rid of all of these little, let's be honest, imperfections, right? So that's it, guys. Head over, check it out. I'm gonna be doing more and more beauty reviews and just sharing what some of my faves over here, because I love being able to share with other women, anybody that wants to listen, what some of my favorite products are. So that's it, guys. Have an awesome day and go get your Tarte. Go get your Tarte. Go, go, go. Don't stay here anymore. Go.